Hi guys, hope you all are doing amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox the products I purchased during the Nykaa Hot Pink Sale. So here are my boxes. There were, I think, 6 or 7 boxes, but I have emptied everything and placed in these 2 boxes. This is not a sponsored haul. That's why you don't see me holding a pink color box, because they don't send products in that pink color box once you buy them. So Nykaa, during Nykaa Hot Pink Sale, a lot of you were asking me for recommendations online. I did not know what to recommend because I don't have a lot of makeup, but I already have enough makeup. And during sales, we generally shop for stuff we don't really need. We just buy them because they are on good discounts and we are getting something free with something, or those offers make us go crazy. So whenever you see my hauls, you will always find me buying only few products. I do not buy ton of products. So yeah, speaking of hauls, I have just posted Amazon haul. Do not forget to check it out. I'm going to link it up. Now let's open the first box. So I was looking at the offers during the sale and I couldn't decide what to buy. वो इतना haphazard हो गया था, सब कुछ offers, इतने offers, 50% off है कहीं, कहीं 10% off है कहीं, बहुत offers थे. Somebody messaged me on Instagram telling me about offers on Flower Beauty. From Flower Beauty, I've only tried one product, which is their liquid lipsticks, and the formula of those lipsticks is amazing. Most of the time, Flower Beauty, whenever it's on sale, you generally find them on 10% off or 5% off, nothing more than that. But this time, on the first day itself, the products were on flat 50% off, which was amazing. I was like, I need to buy some products. I looked at the manufacturing and expiring dates, which is something now I always do after making a stupid mistake in my last purchase. So before you guys start asking, I have Jade Rose, Nykaa Jade Rose lip crayon on my lips, and I have lined my lips using Fame lip liner from K Beauty. Let's talk about the repurchases. So I have repurchased my favorite Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. The current one is almost to the bottom. I might run out of it anytime. I always pick two shades, sorry. One is medium, one is caramel. Caramel is half a shade darker than my complexion, and medium is obviously 2 shades lighter. So I just mix these two. Both have really nice golden undertones, so they work really well if I mix and apply these two. I have picked everything on really good discount. So yeah, this is a repurchase. After that, I recently ran out of my dry shampoo. I was using TG Bedhead dry shampoo, which is really good. It expired actually. I did not run out of it. So I was looking at the Dove dry shampoo online, and I thought of picking this one. This is Dove Volume and Fullness dry shampoo. I was so excited to try a new brand of dry shampoo. We only find Batiste, Be Blunt, and VILVAH and TG online. I've already tried these dry shampoos number of times, and this one is pretty affordable, and you get a nice bottle. This is 141 grams, and I wash my hair once a week, and between that I generally use dry shampoos to give my hair some volume. My hair is dry and frizzy, so they don't really lose volume, but when I'm tying them up like this, I just need some volume towards the front. That's where I use this. The dry shampoos. I have been using dry shampoos for more than 5 years now. Yeah, probably. And I was looking for a gel liner, and I picked this one from Nykaa. This is Nykaa Black Magic Gel Eyeliner, and the box is pretty damaged. I don't know what happened here, but doesn't matter. In any case, I'm going to throw the box away. So I have heard, and I already have used this eyeliner. It is pretty black and really good quality gel eyeliner if you are looking for a good eyeliner. I was thinking of initially buying the Inglot gel eyeliner, but it is very expensive. Even after sale, it was around 900. If we were in the pre-COVID era, I would have definitely bought it. But now that we are sitting at home, I don't want to buy a gel liner that might dry out in few weeks, in few months. That's why I did not invest in that full-size eyeliner from Inglot. And I've also picked a foundation. This is L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear foundation, and I picked it in shade 300, which is my shade in Infallible, the regular one, the amber. But I don't know, for some reasons I think it might be a bit light for me, or neutral, too neutral. If you want me to do a review and wear test of this foundation, let me know. I have a new bottle here, so I can obviously do a review and demo The next product I have is this Colorbar Perfect Match Primer Water. They have 3 variants. I have bought Quench Me because my skin is very dry. And this is how the bottle looks like. It looks very beautiful. I was eyeing this product for a very long time. I did not buy it on full price because I already have makeup mists and I already have primers. I don't really use primers. You might not see me using primer on my channel, but this is in spray bottle form, and I personally like Colorbar products. Also, talking about Colorbar, I have bought their new liquid lipsticks come lip glosses. Those lip glosses are really good. You apply them on and they do not budge, they do not move. Even the glossiness stays on for a couple of hours. Very good formulation. I have 3 shades. I am going to review them very soon. So yeah, keep looking out for that. Then with those Maybelline purchases, I got this mini mascara free. This is Hyper Curl Mini Mascara. Then I have also picked the Bonacure Schwarzkopf Bonacure Repair Peptide Repair. I can't even speak. This is Schwarzkopf Bonacure Peptide Repair Rescue NUTRI-SHIELD Serum. So this is a serum. Again, this is a product I was eyeing for a long time. One of my blogger friends rave about this product, and since my hair is very dry and they need all the nourishment, I bought this one. This is for rupees 735 and I think it was on sale, I'm sure. And on the purchase of this, I got this spray-on conditioner, which is going to save my hair from the frizzy mess it becomes. I will use this and this both and will report back. If you are interested in me reviewing any of the products shown in today's video, just let me know. Okay, I don't know why I was thinking I have bought a lot of stuff from Flower Beauty, but I have not. Apparently, I have bought these concealers from the brand. I have heard a lot about these concealers. This is Flower Beauty Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer. I bought these in 2 shades. The shades are Deep. I don't know why both the concealers have a very different packaging, this one and this one. Let me just quickly check when were these manufactured. Okay, wow, this is expiring very soon. This is expiring in December. I'm so stupid, I should have checked the date. And this will expire in 2025. So this is the new packaging. I'm assuming this is the old packaging, but it's okay. I will use it. I will try to use it up before that. I'm not sure why the shade names are not mentioned on the top. This is Deep and this must be the lighter shade. Okay, it's there, sorry. This is Medium Deep and this is Deep. So I bought both the concealers. I'll swatch them for you. In any case, I'm thinking of using Flower Beauty products and first impressions kind of video. I really wanted to pick their foundation as well, but I was not sure about the shade. And you know, when you buy a wrong shade of foundation, it just sits there and looks at you and stares at you. It doesn't look nice. So this shade is Medium Deep and I think this is a perfect shade for me. It looks perfect. Deep is definitely going to be a darker shade, but it's okay. I can always use it to correct my pigmentation around mouth. That's where I use the Maybelline Caramel shade because it cancels out the darkness around my mouth. Instead of using an orange corrector, I use a darker shade of concealer. It's easier to conceal and cover. Yes, Deep is a bit dark. This is Deep, this is Medium Deep. I think Medium Deep is perfect for my skin tone and Deep is good for people who are 2 shades darker than me. For me, Deep would work. I'll see how can I make it work for me. I might use it around my mouth or something. We'll see. Then this is one of their most famous mascara. This is Lash Warrior Mascara. I'm pretty excited to try this one out as well. Then I have also picked the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. So this is a dewy finish setting spray from them. I am all about dewy finishes and I might spray it on my face right away. Okay, it smells nice. It smells really fresh. And we'll see, let it dry for a couple of minutes. And I personally really enjoy makeup setting sprays because they actually make your makeup last for a really long time and also add a lot of dewiness. So the last product here is the Argan oil from VILVAH. I thought, let me do something about the frizziness that's going on in my hair. I think because of monsoon and the fact that my hair is very dry, and also that the fact that I have been facing hair fall for the past 1 week. The first time in my life I have been facing hair fall, and it is so frustrating. I'm trying to just keep my hair well moisturized so that they don't tangle, they don't break, and I don't go bald. So I have picked the VILVAH organic argan oil. I'm going to apply this on my lens. For hair fall, I'm sure there has to be something to do with my health and the current weather. Otherwise, shampoos, conditioners hardly help with the hair fall. So yeah, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my Nykaa Hot Pink Sale haul. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.